Are you still not growing on YouTube or any other platform? My darling, it might not be your video, it might just be your video editing skills. So let's fix the common mistakes small YouTubers make, and trust me, I have made all of them. Hey, Cynthia here, and welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been a long time we sat down and talked about video editing, so welcome back. And if you're a small creator trying to level up or take your content to the next level, I just feel like this might be for you. This is definitely for you. So I don't know if you already know, but editing can make or break your videos. So now let's break down the mistakes killing your growth and how to fix them. So mistake number one are long intros. Oh my goodness, if your videos are taking more than 1 minute, like 30 seconds, more than 30 seconds, 60 seconds for you to get to the point of the video, my dear, you've already lost your audience. So for your intros, make sure you cut off everything that is not necessary, because there's sometimes that you might just be talking and all the silent pauses like so my name is, all of that silent pauses, cut it off. Like that is literally why we have cut and join in video editing. So cut them off, because people's attention span, like you already know, with TikTok and shorts being introduced, people's attention span are just so little nowadays. People don't even want to waste their data anymore. So all you need to do is just grab your audience attention immediately you start your video. So intros that are extremely long for no reason, I don't see the essence, because even me, I'm gonna click off. Even if you're watching my video and I'm starting this video with, oh, this is how you edit your video, but I am going to tell you this, so oh my goodness, you're gonna get bored. So cut anything that is unnecessary, cut it off. Don't even say, oh, after I've started to edit, after I started to make this video and talk for so long, I feel like everything is important. No, not everything is important. You might think that way, but your audience will not. So cut it off, okay? But you want to hook your audience in the next 5 to 10 seconds and keep them watching for long. And you can do that with just video editing, learning how to manipulate things and cut and join and remove unnecessary things and thoughts. Mistake number 2, no cut/too slow. I'm gonna explain, just hold on, okay? We just talked about this a little bit, okay, but I'm gonna talk about it again. If you're talking for 2 minutes straight with no zooms, no jump cut, no visuals, all this nice animations, people turn off. Like they turn I don't even know how to explain it, but all these things are there for a reason. All these animations that we have, effects and all of that, they are there for a reason, but that doesn't mean that you should use it too much. There are some people's video that I watch and it's so funny. Just introduction, my name is they'll disappear and appear back, and it's so literally so funny because it's too much. So you don't have to do it too much, but you just have to apply those things a little, because people's attention span are just so little. So you need to just grab your attention. You need to make them keep them watching. So like I said previously, cut off the arms. All these silent arms, or maybe you're making a video and you're thinking like, oh my god, what am I gonna say next? You're like, so yeah, cut it off. Like cut it off literally. People tune out when you get boring, so cut it out. And also make sure to use more of so also try to make use of B-rolls, because it kind of makes your video visually interesting. Imagine watching a video and it makes your video seem like a movie. So it's literally very important to make use of B-rolls. It could be your own B-rolls or free B-rolls online. Mistake number 3, like I just said, over editing. I just have to add it because some people do not just hear. Yes, over editing is a thing. Too many effects, too many transitions, too many animations, too many pop-ups. What is going on? Is everything all right at home? At the end of the day, it becomes a visual mess. My eyes hurt. Like, what is going on? You're just doing an introduction or something. You're just talking about something for like 30 seconds and my eyes are hurting because too many things keep popping up. The captions are everywhere, the text animations are everywhere, so many things are popping up and I'm not even able to keep up. Like, it's crazy. So let's just try to dial it down a bit. Use effects with purpose, with intention. The purpose of editing is to enhance your story, not like deviate people from the story towards something else. Mistake number 4 is bad audio. If you follow this channel, if you follow me, if you know Cynthia Patrick, you know that 2 things that we always emphasize so much on is audio and visual. And here is a fun fact that might surprise you. audio is more important, way more important than video. Let's take for instance, you have a blurry video and I can hear you properly. I mean, it's even better if that information is very important to me. I'm going to stick around compared to when your video is clean, crisp, clear, like so cinematic, but I can't hear you. The sound is not clear. So that is to say that if your background is too echoey, too quiet, or too full of background noise, people might not stay. And I have a video on video editing. I don't know if you've seen it, but it talks about all of that, where I teach you how to elevate your audio quality. I don't know if I've made that video or it's still there, but I think I'm still gonna make that video. If you want to see that video, let me know down in the comments, okay? So make sure to always invest in quality microphones. Look at this mic I'm using. Let me show you what I sound without this mic, because right now my fan is facing me, the AC is up here, and all of them are like on. I'm gonna show you what I sound without this microphone that you're seeing right now currently on this video. So my darling, this is what I sound without the mic. I don't know, I'm sure the difference is way clear and obvious. This is what it sounds like without my microphone. And this microphone is surprisingly not expensive. You don't need to break a bank to get any good quality microphone. There are way better microphones out there, way cheaper, way expensive. So whatever you want, but always make sure that you invest in a microphone if you're a content creator, if you know that you make videos online, because it's gonna come in handy. So another tip here is that when you're editing your video inside the editing app, make sure to enhance the audio. Very important. I know you're using your microphone and all of that, but make sure to always enhance audio inside the editing app. I'm going to make a dedicated video for this. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see that video. If you want to learn how to enhance your audio in the CapCut app, I will definitely do that. And your background music, guys, watch out for this one, because a lot of us make this mistake unknowingly, unconsciously. We don't even know we're doing it, because there's sometimes that your background music will be louder than what you're saying, that people can even concentrate on your voice or what you're saying. All they can hear is the background music. So you need to work on that, because honestly sometimes it can be quite distracting and nobody wants that. Mistake number 5 is call to action. A lot of times people forget that people need to be reminded of what to do or the next step or action to take. Just like I'm reminding you right now. You see this thing here? This subscribe button you're seeing right here down below, it's called call to action. So please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. So this is how you end your video, always with a call to action. Another way is to remind people, remind your audience to watch your next video. You can just tell them, look at this video here. If you like this video, you can click on this one to watch, or anything like that. Just like I'm going to tell you right now, if you love this video on video editing, I have a lot of I have a playlist of video editing videos. If you want to level up on your video editing game, you can watch this video right here next. With that being said, editing doesn't have to be perfect, so this is your sign to fix those little errors, little mistakes you make during your video editing, so that you can feel more pro, you can feel more professional. Trust me, your audience will definitely notice. My audience notice everything. They literally chat me up, Cynthia, hey, look at what you did here, how did you do it? Or this thing you did here, I don't like it. Trust me, your audience, people are watching, your audience will notice. So if you know I helped you out with this video, please hit that like button and also turn on your post notification. Even if you don't subscribe to this channel, just make sure that you give me a thumbs up, because it helps YouTube and their algorithm push out my videos to more creators like you. So please give me a thumbs up. So if you want more editing tips, content ideas, YouTube growth hack, hit that post notification bell. If you like this video, I'm definitely sure you're gonna love the next one. So I'll see you on the next video.